During our stay in Gardenstown we had a lot of bad weather. This can often affect people's mood. It never affects Rio, who's always happy no matter what. It's always great for a change of scenery, so we swapped the beach for the forest and took the blue route around Delgatti Woods. We may love the beach, but man, she came alive when she's in the forest. After a hard day running around the woods, Hubie went for a nap, while we planned our next journey to the historical town of Banff.
Too small, I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money at. Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin, baby. I can see the summer on you. You see all the bread, and I know it make you wonder, don't you? I ain't surprised at all. Seen them rise and fall. Went up the mountain, it wasn't hard to climb at all. At the top, I found some relief. I finally got some peace. Carry on, but please don't mess up the mood.
I think we've seen Northern Lights here, though. It's really north. Troup Head we're going to, no?
Yeah.
Can't pick it up with no signal. Have to start driving and then we'll pick it up on the way. Guess this is it, isn't it?
Can you drop again?
I don't want to drop. way back we couldn't help but notice the dramatic cliffs, with the crashing waves and the rich deep blue sea. We wanted to take a closer look. So we set the drone off to go and have a look. And just behind the cliffs was the village of Penang, with its nearby secluded beaches. So far, we've seen so many beautiful things in Scotland, and we just can't wait to see more.